PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning proudly provides professional HVAC tune-up services throughout Philadelphia County, PA. Our comprehensive HVAC tune-up service includes a full inspection of your heating and cooling components, cleaning essential system parts, checking refrigerant levels, testing thermostat accuracy, inspecting electrical connections, lubricating moving parts, and ensuring proper airflow throughout your property. Call our HVAC tune-up team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. Why is regular HVAC maintenance important? Routine HVAC maintenance helps improve energy efficiency, extend the lifespan of your system, reduce the risk of costly breakdowns, and maintain consistent indoor comfort. How often should I schedule an HVAC tune-up? We recommend scheduling HVAC maintenance at least twice a year, once before the cooling season and once before the heating season. Regular seasonal tune-ups help ensure your system performs efficiently throughout the year. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our HVAC tune-up has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewery Town, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where are your HVAC tune-up in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206 Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.